And finally, Masterlock, rekeyable, number 220. Security spools are in this one. Picking for me on this one is kind of a hit and miss. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to again try the 2 tension wrench trick to see if it helps me on the slipping, because this one slips really bad. However, from the feel of it, it's much too tight of keyway to actually get to it. So, just see how we go without. I'm going to start on a Diamond Forest with this one, because I know the bitting's interesting. Alright, back pin instantly fell into false set. I'm going to move forward and try and see if I can set the other ones around my tension wrench, which has already slipped on me. What I need to do is practice top of keyway tensioning, but boom! Happy days. There you have it, my daily practice. And all in all, a rather poor day, but fun nonetheless. Hope you liked the videos, and tell me what you think.